Nestled in the serene embrace of Valle de Bravo, Casa Zarzales stands as a testament to the harmonious union between architecture and nature. The vacation home, with its simple and pure design, celebrates the beauty of the surrounding environment. Spanning 645 square meters, the residence is meticulously designed to harness natural light, making it a vital element of the living experience. Every corner of the home is crafted to ensure a seamless connection with the natural world, allowing the inhabitants to feel perpetually immersed in the tranquil ambience of the forest. The pine trees encircling the property play a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and functionality of the house, seamlessly blending it into the verdant landscape. The design process for Casa Zarzales was profoundly influenced by the majestic pines that grace its surroundings. The architects prioritized the conservation of these trees, allowing them to dictate the layout and structure of the two main volumes of the house. These volumes serve distinct purposes: the social area for gathering and the private area for restful retreat. The positioning of these sections was carefully planned to ensure the preservation of the pines, leading to the creation of a unique terrace with strategic perforations. This thoughtful approach not only safeguards the trees but also integrates them into the architectural narrative, highlighting their significance to the project. The social area of Casa Zarzales is a masterpiece of design, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. This area is thoughtfully divided into a closed section housing the TV and service rooms, and an open section featuring the dining room, a semi-open kitchen, and a covered terrace with two transparent faces. This design invites natural light to flood the interiors, creating a vibrant and airy atmosphere. The outdoor terrace, equipped with a jacuzzi and swimming pool, serves as a haven for relaxation and sensory enjoyment. Here, residents can indulge in the sights, sounds, and scents of the forest, immersing themselves in the natural beauty that envelopes them. The gabled roof, with its natural paste finish, mimics the tones of tree bark, ensuring the structure melds discreetly with the forested backdrop, while creating a delightful play of light and shadows. Throughout Casa Zarzales, the use of natural materials like wood and washed concrete enhances the organic feel of the residence. The gabled roofs, a response to the frequent rains in the area, add a touch of rustic charm while providing practical benefits. The ample natural light and the thoughtful design ensure that no space within the house feels entirely enclosed, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. This pure and clean architectural approach not only strengthens the connection with nature, but also imbues the home with a timeless quality. Casa Zarzales stands as a serene retreat, offering its inhabitants a unique and profound connection to the natural world that surrounds them.